TGIF, everyone. It's Friday morning video blog time. Boy, not a real nice morning out there once again. We've got a slate gray overcast. It's been raining lightly or drizzling for a lot of the overnight and early morning hours, and we still have that going on this morning. Now, the radar doesn't show a whole lot, but you're going to have to flip on the wipers a few times if you're out and about over the next hour or so. I think we'll start to get a break from the drizzle, the incessant drizzle, if you will, as we go towards the midday hours. But still, overall today is not the nicest day in the world. Real quick look at the nation as a whole. Let me turn off the temperatures. Still a threat for severe weather today out across the middle of the country. In fact, there is a slight risk covering a lot of areas, even an enhanced risk out towards Oklahoma into Texas. Let me turn off the satellite here so we can get a little bit of a better view of this. So another severe weather day possible down here in northern Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas as well. No severe weather threats here, but we're going to hang on to the clouds all day. Now, as far as any additional precipitation, again, over the next hour or so, it can try to rain lightly or drizzle. I think as we head towards lunchtime, except in areas maybe north of I-80, there's not going to be a whole lot of drizzle out there. Then as we go towards late afternoon and evening, this disturbance is going to cruise down from the north and west, increasing our chance for a little bit of light rain or some drizzle once again towards late afternoon, early this evening. So here's 4 o'clock, here's 5 o'clock. Youngstown, you get your perspective about right here. Here's I-80. Overall, the highest chances of rain again towards the end of the day today are probably north of I-80, but still, no matter where you live, it can try to rain at least a little bit later on today and into this evening. So here's a breakdown of the hourly chances of precipitation. I have this kind of minimized around midday with chances ramping up again towards the end of the afternoon and early this evening. Now, yesterday we stayed in the 40s all day. Today will be marginally better. Here's a look at our modeling, each model represented by a single line here. You can see most of them are clustered kind of in here today for highs, and that's in the lower 50s. 52, 53, maybe 54 should about do it. A little bit chillier tonight. We'll drop down into the lower 40s. Now, tomorrow promises to be somewhat warmer as we kick off the weekend. We'll get into the upper 50s, lower 60s tomorrow afternoon. That's the good news. Well, the bad news is the rain continues to look a little faster and faster, the arrival of that rain to start the weekend. Saturday morning, no problems. Clouds will thicken, and then rain chances will start to increase as we go into the afternoon. Now, this is one model that happens to be one of the faster models, and it has it trying to rain already by 2 or 3 tomorrow afternoon. That might be fast by a few hours, but only by a few hours. I think it's raining by evening in a lot of places. So if you need to mow the grass tomorrow, try to get out in the morning and midday if you can, even though it might still be kind of, the grass could be damp, because the rain's going to start falling from the sky again towards the end of the afternoon and heading into the evening, and it'll be a soggy Saturday night, maybe more scattered showers into Sunday morning. But actually, while Saturday's going downhill, Sunday now is looking like a better day. It's not a washout like it looked like, maybe a couple of showers, mostly in the morning on Sunday. So Sunday afternoon might be salvageable. As far as the longer range, real quick, next week, not much to write home about temperature-wise. Cool start to the week, a little bit warmer midweek, maybe cooler again at the end of the week. And then, as I've been talking about in my longer videos, looks like more substantial warm weather during the second week of May. All right, Jess is in the studio this morning. She'll have your updated forecast on 21 News midday. I'll see you tonight at 6 and 11. Have a great rest of this Friday.